Hello everyone, welcome to our Canvas workshop series. Today we'll learn simple ways to message your instructors and use Canvas tools for better communication. Why does this matter? Well, good communication helps you to succeed in your class. It makes it easier to ask questions, get help, and understand feedback from your instructors. This video will cover communicating via your inbox. This is where you can send messages to and receive messages from your instructors and your classmates. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you're logged in, you will see the Canvas dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a global navigation menu. Click on the inbox icon, which is represented by an envelope. The inbox is divided into several sections. The toolbar is at the very top, the message list is on the left-hand side, and the message pane is on the right. Simply put, the message list will display a list of messages. The message pane shows the content of the selected messages. And the toolbar allows you to compose new messages, filter messages, and access your sent and archived messages. To compose a new message, click the Compose a New Message button represented by a pencil and paper icon on the toolbar. Once you click into it, a new message window will pop up. To select the course, click into the Select Course drop-down menu and choose the course for which you want to send a message. To add recipients, click the To field. A list of course participants will appear. You can select your instructor, classmates, or groups if applicable. You can also start typing a name to search for a specific person. In the subject field, type a brief subject line for your message. This helps the recipient to understand the purpose of your message at a glance. In the large text box below the subject line, go ahead and type your message. Make sure that you are clear and concise. Include any necessary details and attachments by clicking the Attach File button, which is represented by a paperclip icon. Once you have written your message and attached any necessary files, click the Send button at the bottom right of the message window. To view messages you have received, click on any message in the message list on the left. The full message will appear in the message pane on the right. You can reply to the message by clicking the Reply button at the top of the message pane. You can use the filter and search options in the toolbar to find specific messages. You can filter messages by course, by type, and you can also use the search bar to enter keywords and find related messages. To archive a message, select it from the message list and click More Options at the top of the message pane. Now you can select Archive. To delete a message, select it and click the Delete button, represented by a trash can icon in the toolbar. This concludes our step-by-step walkthrough of how to communicate with your instructors and peers via inbox. If you need further information, please refer to our Canvas Workshop Series course.